4, 5, 6, 7. Drop. All right, last one. Take a deep breath. I want you to take a deep breath. Bring that chicken wing down, elbow to your side, all the way. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. Deep breath, limp wrist. Yep, drop it down. Deep breath and down. Bring that chicken wing down, elbow to your side, all the way, all the way. All right, one more elbow down. 1, 2. Pull that arm to your side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, well done.
My name is George, and the reason I'm here is because I've had severe tingling in my fingers, and my fingers were numb, and my fingers are numb with like darts want to fly out. And also I'm here because of severe shoulder pain into my arm, and I in the past 2 years I have seen 5 different chiropractors, and they worked on me and nothing was done. And one day wife saw this ad on TV that this gentleman could take care of your spine, your nerves, and your hands, and your shoulder, and so forth. And so I thought, well, it won't hurt to give him a call. So we gave him a call, and we are here. So I came in the other Thursday and had a confirmation as to what was happening, and then I had a treatment later on. And so after the treatment was over, to my surprise, I had no tingling whatsoever. Those darts that were flying out of my fingers, so to say, they left. I don't have that now today. So my next treatment that I had, I couldn't even move my arm any higher than this. And the second treatment that I had, the doctor worked on my arm, my shoulder. Now I can raise my hands and I say, thank you, Jesus, for the work that you allow this gentleman to do. And what he can't do, you can do, Father. And you gave him the wisdom, the knowledge, and understanding to work on these bodies, and I appreciate it very much. I don't know how to thank this gentleman for the work that he's done on me. I still have a few issues, but they seem to be working them out. And so I say, if you are in the same situation, give this gentleman a try, and I'm sure that he will fix you up like he did me.